What it do, YouTube? Back with another one. Hope y'all doing great. Out here getting gas. With that, I think it's just finished. Ugh. Yes, but they're gonna hit this road to get some more eats. Yesterday was the Waffle House. Today is something else. Give me a fish plate. I'm just in the mood for some fish. Hold up. There we go. Gotta get y'all focused now. I left my heart on the west end. I'm just trying to get close with you. I'm getting y'all together. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Getting closer to that Christmas date. Well, hey, y'all know I really love and appreciate y'all because I'm really riding around with no music. I will be. I can't even say what I was gonna say. It's be PG-13. What is it? Parent identification authorization. I hate when cars do this. Like, you want to turn at the worst possible spot. Close to you, man. But hey, man, my day was good. Got a hoop song. We won the first 3 games and lost the 4th one, something like that. Or we won the first 2 and lost the 3rd one. But you know, it's cool. It's cool. Cool. We lost by a cool 1 point. No, straight to 24. Me personally, I wouldn't go for that. I'll make you have to run the red light next to the police officer. Don't blow your horn to me. I'm a different type of ninja. Everybody know not to play with that boy Larry. I remember I got pulled over on this road because I had a nice car and they lied about the speed limit. That officer is going the same speed limit I was going when they pulled me over. Citizens arrest. You know how wild the world would be if regular people could pull over the police. Hey, car FC 982, please pull over. Please have your hands out the window so I can see them. Boy, the world be a funny place. The police getting policed by citizens. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to give you a ticket, officer. You're going 3 miles over the speed limit. Don't want to hear it. Gotta think about others on this road. We're running it together, all of us. All of us. Yeah, I do that. Go. Well, you know you was in front of me. Like, why didn't you just go? I don't know where we're going right now. What you think about a tour bus? I want to hit the road with you. Roll with you. Hey man, y'all made the police switch lanes. Y'all hard for that one. I ain't gonna hold you. Ever to make you smile. I don't know where we're going right now. What you think about a tour bus? Yes, sir. I'm gonna hit the West End. I told her to find a best friend. Lucky me. Hey, I hate this little loop around. Put a red light right there so I can swerve through. Oh, I left my heart on the West End. Right here with me. Downtown on a Wednesday night. I ain't gonna lie. It was when First Take came down here for the ESPN was down here. It was for the draft week, and it was a radio show that came on ESPN at 8 o'clock in the morning, and that was at a bar downtown. Again, it's live. It's not pre-recorded. Live, 8 a.m. It was a dude behind the person who is on camera at the bar drinking at 8 o'clock in the morning. I was like, I don't know what struggles he got going on, but hey, 8 a.m. on a Wednesday, drink downtown. Like, he was like, nah, let's go downtown to drink at 8 a.m. I need to wash my sorrows away. That's a different level. A different level. Oh, God dang. That's one thing about these Nashville roads. You will hit anything in these roads. Uh-oh, little festivities. I don't really know anybody come down this way, really. But little festivities. Because I don't know where we're going right now. What you think about a tour bus? I'm trying to hit the road with you. Roll with you. I don't know, that song stuck in my head. Okay, you know, I might, you know. Man, I feel bad. I've been dogging my homie, and NCAA is no match. Like, that record is 14-0. Like, we played 14 games, it's 14-0. We finally played our 14th game in Madden today. The record is 10-4. He won the first 2 games when I was in first time playing Madden. Don't have a playbook, don't have a team. I'm just trying stuff out. He won the first 2 games. After that, straight BTA. I won like 7 straight. Then he won 1. Then I won 1. Then I won 2 straight. Is that right? 7. That was 8-4. I won 6 straight. So it was, he won the first 2. I won 6 straight. He won that game. Then I won the next one. It was 8-4. So however it goes, y'all confusing me. It was 6-2, made it 6-3. I went 7. Nope, that ain't right. It was 8-3. He won. Yeah, so it was 7-2. He won 1. It made it 7-3. I won, made it 8. Then he won, made it 8-4. Then I just went and won last 2. Straight BTA. He don't like to see Joe Football come out. When he see Joe Football, he get nervous. Joe Football undefeated. He beat the Chicago Bears 3 times, and he beat. Other than Chicago Bears really be whooping them. The last game, I sold it. In the first 2 games, you know, that was the first 2 games. Preseason. That's what I say. Now the boy's a Green Bay Packer. Green Bay Packers again. Gonna see Joe Football running it up. Yes, sir, Bob. Who made the Kool-Aid? I gotta know who made the Kool-Aid. This is viral information. Is that parking spot open? God dang, somebody's in it. That's the dumbest parking spot ever. It literally got 1 spot. Literally 1 spot available. Let's see about, oh man. Uh-oh. We might got action. All right, y'all. I'll catch y'all next time. Godspeed.